Ever wonder how some people manage to juggle work, a healthy life, and binge watching their favorite shows like pros? It's not magic, it's time management. Let's get started. Let's be real for a second. You have 24 hours in a day, but why does it feel like you're always running out of time? Meanwhile, some people manage to build their businesses, stay fit, and still have time to watch their favorite shows. What's their secret? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned, because these tricks will blow your mind. Ever notice how you get things done super fast when there's a last-minute deadline? That's because your mind goes into hyper-focus mode when time is limited. Use this to your advantage. Set fake deadlines for everything. If you have 2 hours to finish something, give yourself 1. You'll be amazed at how fast you work. To-do lists are great, but let's be honest, most of us never finish them. Instead, try a reverse to-do list. At the beginning of your day, write down the 3 biggest things you absolutely must get done. No distractions, no fluff, just the essentials. This forces you to prioritize and get things done. Multitasking is a myth. Instead, use time blocking. Set specific time slots for specific tasks. Example, check emails only at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. instead of 50 times a day. You'll be surprised how much more you get done. Now let's talk about the power of saying no. It's easy to get caught up trying to please everyone, but that can be a huge time waster. Learn to say no to tasks and commitments that don't align with your goals. This frees up your time for what truly matters. Another effective technique is the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This method helps maintain high levels of focus and productivity without burning out. And let's not forget the importance of a good night's sleep. It might seem counterintuitive, but getting enough rest can actually make you more productive. When you're rested, you can think more clearly, make better decisions, and work more efficiently. Also, consider delegating tasks. You don't have to do everything yourself. If there are tasks that others can handle, delegate them. This allows you to focus on the tasks that require your unique skills and expertise. Finally, take time to reflect on your day. At the end of each day, review what you accomplished and what you can improve. This helps you continuously refine your time management skills and become more efficient over time. Remember, time management isn't about cramming as much as possible into your day, it's about making the most of the time you have. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve more in less time and create a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these time management tricks today and watch your productivity soar. And don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to hear how these tips are working for you. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and follow LearnX for more tips on how to live your best life. Now go out there and conquer your time. Remember, time is your most valuable resource. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.